Supreme salad. Yan, may lettuce tayo dyan, carrots, tomato, onions, avocado. Lagyan natin ng Thousand Islands. Lagyan natin ng boiled eggs. Ayan na yung boiled eggs. At lagyan natin ng chicken strip. Ayan na yung chicken strip. At lagyan rin natin ng pineapple.